how to withdraw USDT from Bitget wallet to Binance. So if you want to withdraw USDT from Bitget wallet to Binance, now go to Binance and copy the address of the USDT. After you open Binance, go to asset. From the asset, now go ahead and tap on this deposit. Go and select USDT. So select the network, choose Binance Merchant BIP20. Now copy the address of the USDT. Now close the Binance app. Go to Bitget wallet. After you open the Bitget wallet like this, now go to this wallet. After you come to this wallet section, from there now you can select USDT. Here is it. After you select the USDT you want to withdraw, you can tap on this send button. So from this option now, here is the USDT. So make sure now to tap on this option now to paste in the address. After you paste in the address in this option now, so after you paste in the address in this option now, scroll to down and type in the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw like 20 USDT. If you tap in the amount, just tap on this confirm button. Then from there, if you tap on this confirm button, from now this USDT will be sent into your Binance account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.